Bora, and today I am presenting on the topic of yoga and women's health. So let's start with the meaning of yoga. Yoga is a spiritual, mental and physical discipline that involves all three. From yoga blends all three, mind, body and soul. So it is a Hindu spiritual discipline that involves breathing techniques, meditation and some other postures that helps in relaxing our minds and also to helps in stay fit for our health. So the next is, the question comes why yoga is important, or why there is a need to address this topic. Yoga on women's health is important. Yoga is very important, and for women's health, so there are some benefits that I have added, although there are so many benefits, but I have added some that are specifically for women's. Helps during pregnancy and labor. During pregnancy, a woman has to go through a lot of changes, hormonal changes or their physical changes. So therefore stress or anxiety arises, and this stress and anxiety will be minimized through yoga. If a pregnant lady do yoga, that helps in the flexibility that needed for the childbirth. Or there are some other benefits like reduces the symptoms of premenstruation syndrome, improves symptoms of menopause, which we will be discussing in our upcoming slides, and improves heart health. As we are talking about heart health, we can categorize women into two types: housewives and the working women. In case of a working woman, we are saying the women who work in the corporate world or other jobs that are outside our home. As we are talking about two types of women, that is housewives and the working women, research has shown that housewives are more likely to have the heart disease than the working women. Why this happened? Because it has happened because in housewives are mostly stay at homes they have the most likely to smoke, or they are more likely to smoke, and also they have no one to talk with. They are suffers from depression. So therefore, housewives has more heart disease than working women. Now let's discuss the problems that working women go through. Here are some common disorders that working women go through. The first one is hypertension. Hypertension is also known as the high blood pressures. And if a woman have a high blood pressure, she will go through some symptoms like headaches, blurred visions, fatigue, chest pains, and difficulty in breathing. Some yoga that helps in case of a hypertension are this Adho Mukha Savasana, which is also known as a downward facing pose, and Banashree, Savasana, Sukhasana, and Vattanasana, which is also known as a butterfly pose, which we have done in our class. Back pain. No, back pain. Insomnia is a common sleeping disorder that most common in not for women, also for other genders as well. So it arises due to the unhealthy lifestyles we have been, or it resulted as a difficulty in falling asleep, or wake up frequently during the night, or even when we have not got enough sleep. So therefore it resulted as a tiredness all the day. There are some yogas that helps in case of insomnia as well. These are three yogas that helps in case of insomnia or for better sleep. Widely child's pose, which we can also known as a balasana, standing forward bend. And then the third one is recycling bound angle, that is also known as a Supta Konasana. Now backache. Backache is the most common or most relatable disorders that we all have even now. It is happening because of the lack And that's why we have got in during our exams or before exams, we all got back pain. And the next one is PCOS, which is also known as a polycystic ovary syndrome, which is also mostly found in young women nowadays or teenagers. It resulted as a menstrual disturbance and elevated levels of male hormones. Some yogas that helps in case of PCOS are garden malasana. Malasana can strengthen the pelvic floor and abdominal core while opening the hips. It helps in case of PCOS by increasing circulation and blood flow of the pelvic region and improving the metabolism and aiding digestion. The second one is Bora, which is also known as a Dhanurasana, may help relieve menstrual discomfort, stimulate reproductive organs, and regulate menstrual flow. The third one is we known as Kapalbhati Pranayama. This technique involves normally the inhale and the exhale with the forcefully. But although this yoga helps from PCOS, but in case of PCOS, yoga will not beneficial if we do not control the healthy diet with the healthy diet. So the junk food is big no for in case of PCOS. If we have a healthy diet, then only this yoga will help in case of PCOS. The next is pregnancy. Yoga during pregnancy is beneficial for both mother and unborn child and is a terrific way to stay active. Pregnancy-specific yoga poses are combined with the breathing exercise and relaxation techniques in this program. Yoga has demonstrated lessons anxiety and aid in maintaining calm in expectant and laboring women. It may also help with the sleeping. Many of breathing exercises used in yoga aid in the preparing one for only childbirth. If the ladies use during the giving birth, it will assist them to maintain composure and steady breathing throughout the contractions. Yoga practice throughout pregnancy may even reduce the need for pain and medication when the baby is delivered. Simply put, when women are carrying a growing child and their bodies are different, their inside organs recognize and cramp together and accommodate their expanding uterus. Additionally, the hormone mix coursing through their blood may use their bodies to behave and feel differently than usual. So these are some common complaints that a pregnant lady go through. Breathlessness, back pain, weight gain, hormonal changes which resulted into frequently mood changes. And yoga poses that helps in case of pregnancy, butterfly pose, warrior pose, fox pose, and calisthenics. Now, what is menopause? Menopause is the end of the menstruation cycle in a woman's life. It mainly ranges the ages between the 45 and 55. And also it is usually lasts about 1 year but can be last as long as 4 years. We can divide menopause into two types. One is premenopause symptoms and the postmenopause symptoms. Premenopause symptoms involves the irregular periods, like a woman can have a periods for within 15 days or also may not have their periods for like 6 to 5 months. And the other symptoms like vaginal dryness, hot flashes, mood changes and weight gain also includes. But the symptoms are varied from woman to woman. Like the duration can depend on lifestyle factors such as smoking, age it begins, and race and ethnicity. Now the yoga that helps in case of menopause are the butterfly pose, fox pose, or the warrior pose. Then here we have come to the end of our presentation. The first points that I want to highlight in this presentation is yoga practices of Satkarma, Asana, Pranayama, Dhyana support overall health of women from childhood to old age. Although it cannot be possible to include all the benefits for different ages that yoga can give, but it is very helpful to all, even for the kids also. If a kid do yoga regularly, it helps in flexibility and calm their mind as well. Lifestyle here, the second one is lifestyle issues that lead to lifestyle chronic disease are resolved through regular yoga practice. The primary of this being stress. The unhealthy lifestyles that we have been, and also it involves or it resulted as a different diseases. So the primary reason for all these diseases are stress, and yoga can help us to relieve our stress through meditation and other breathing techniques. The third one is the main reason that yoga helps to cure specifically for women is hormonal changes. As we can see here, in all the stages, like from the starting of menstruations or pregnancy or even menopause, the hormonal changes is the symptoms that has arises in every stages. So therefore, yoga also can help in case of hormonal changes as well. Now, although yoga gives us so much benefits, but it will only last long if one practices it regularly. Although yoga has so much benefits, but we have to practice it regularly, then only we can get the final result. So